Hello, my name's Kirsten Pilati, the very proud CEO of Breast Cancer Network Australia. I am super excited because today Opal have delivered a very special box. In this box is our mini field of women. Opal have partnered with us so that we can bring to life for any occasion, in an office, out in the community, for corporates, for community groups, a way for you to pay tribute to those people affected by breast cancer. In the box, which I'm super excited about, is our incredible pink ladies, which you can have on display and then put a beautiful note, a special note on there to say why you're supporting someone affected by breast cancer. But we also have white silhouettes, and these are incredibly special to us because they're a way for us to pay tribute to those people whose lives have been lost by breast cancer. And sadly, 3,000 lives every year will be lost to breast cancer. And something that Opal helped us to develop, bring awareness about the fact that more than 170 men each year are diagnosed with breast cancer. So how beautiful is it that we in this box can deliver to you in the community a way to pay tribute to all of those affected by breast cancer. So a very big thank you to Opal, and I would love you to order one of our mini fields of women and do something really special in your community today.